Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the GST Appellate Tribunal portal. In this tutorial, you will be guided through the anti-defect rectification and refiling process, step by step. So let's get started. After successful login to the GSTAT e-filing portal, from left-hand side panel, select Appellant Corner, Refiling. Click on View Defect button of appropriate filing number to check the defects. Click Edit to make changes in the filing. All defects are listed and visible to you. You can view, delete defective documents, and re-upload the correct document with or without the digital signature certificate option. Click on Preview button. It will show dynamically generated GSTAT BL5 form. Click on Final Submit button at end of form or web page to refile your appeal. And this completes your refiling process. You would agree that the process is remarkably straightforward and hassle-free. We hope this tutorial has been a great help.